Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
To find the slope of a tangent line, we can start by investigating the slope of a secant line. Let's draw a generic function f of x, and we'll start the secant line at an x value of a and end it at an x value of, let's just say, x. On the curve, we'll label f of a and f of x, and we'll draw this secant line in here. If we wanted to find the slope of this secant line, that's just our old school algebra slope, f of x minus f of a over x minus a. But we don't want the slope of the blue line, we want the slope of the green line, the tangent line of f at x equals a. So how are we going to do it? We'll move our value x closer and closer to a, and we'll make subsequent secant lines. We'll make an orange secant line, we'll see this red secant line. They're all getting closer and closer to the slope of our tangent line. Right? And finally, if we take x and we find the limit as x gets closer and closer to a, eventually that secant line is going to be right on top of our tangent line, and we can say the slope of our tangent line at x equals a is equal to the limit as x approaches a of f of x minus f of a over x minus a.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.